How is the HW universe doing? I am Dog, and welcome back to another Christmas reaction video. It's not on Christmas yet, it's Christmas Eve. No, it's Christmas Eve. But anyway, we are reacting to YTP Train by number 1. But anyway, before this video ends, remember to hit subscribe if you are new here, because we're on the road to 7,000 subscribers. And if you have a reaction request to give to me, put it down in the comments, and I'll write it down in my notebook over there. And anyway, you are not here for the intro, you are here for the reaction, so let's get right into the action. The Polar Express. The animated version of the real life one?
On Christmas Eve, many years ago,
Tom
I should be
Hanks?
my bed.
That's Tom
I did
Hanks.
not rustle the sheets. I did not shuffle the rates. I was afraid I'd never hear.
That is Tom
I
Hanks.
breathed slowly. I breathed silently.
Is that Andy?
I should be my bed. I was listening for the ringing bells.
Ding, 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 ding. It's an earthquake.
Hold this, please. Thank you.
Adios.
No. Ticket, please. Try your pocket. Try your other pocket. Try your other pocket.
Other pocket. Boy, that guy sure likes to show off with his ticket.
Who in the blazes applied that emergency brake? Very tight. Now, young man, Christmas may not be important, but it is very important sauce. Well, let me remind you. Your attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers? Who in the blazes applied that emergency brake? Forgive me. I believe I have neglected to punch your ticket.
No, please don't do that again.
These tickets are not trans.
He's gonna throw her off the train. Yeah, he's gonna probably throw her right off the train. That way she won't get sucked down under the train. They may slow the train down a little bit, but they're never...
Stop it.
Is this something I can do for you?
I'm looking for a girl.
Hey, we all! Let's go find that girl. Rocking on top of the world. 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 Rocking on top of the world.
Oh, that was it. Alright, well, that was my reaction to YTP Train. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button with. If you're not sure, then pin it for the 1, 2 count. But if you, I almost said just 1, 2 count. It kicked out. You didn't like it right. But yeah, and so anyway, if you, I don't know, I never restart my intro or outro. If you like, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button with. Even if you're then pin for the 1, 2 count. But if you disliked it, please tell me what I could do better than the next video in the future. And bada bang, bada boom, bada bye. Bye. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.